G'day DIYers. In the shower I started using a 12mm notchy, but it was just a little bit too big. Now I'm using an 8 and it's perfect. So it is quite important sometimes using the correct notchy, but I use a 12mm a lot for a lot of things, but it was just a little bit too big. You see, when you look at a tile and it's say like most of your porcelain is 10mm, well that's about 6mm, so a 12mm notchy is too big. You go a little bit bigger than what the tile is and you're home and hose. But I thought I could get away with it, but I didn't. So be it. You get that, you just change it. Change your trowel. Because with a smaller tile, it's pretty hard to be zapping your lines all the time. Where are we? And that's all there is to it. DIYs, that's all there is to it. I'm going to be careful because I don't want to work away from a wall. Keep watching that distance from the wall is a couple of mil. My tile is a couple of mil out from the wall, which is cool. All the time you're pushing them into your glue and you're laughing. So what's the cut going to be? Oh yeah! So could I no. Okay, so I've got to put a small piece in there, so be it. It's all, I always do my bathrooms off the shower waste, always. I see some, I've walked into some houses and the floor waste is in such a position that when you've got a tile like the lowest point, it's in the wrong place, and the lowest point is at the edge of the tile, and the waste is 100mm away from the edge of the tile. Whoa! So so you'll always have a puddle. It's terrible. Anyway, I'll do a bit more and then I'll come back to you. Okay, we'll see you. Bye.